Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change button color in Google Sites. So here you can see in my Google Sites, I have a button right here. So if I want to change it, so I can just tap on it. And when I select it, there you can see there's only three options like field outline. If you tap on outline, then it will just get the background color on the background of your page. And you can only set a text from here. Also, you can just go with the field, but if you want to change the field button color, so there's no option actually on the Google Sites available to get you different type of color for your buttons. So the only thing you can do is you can just go to the theme, and from here you can just select the theme from here like simple here, or you can just change the color so the button color will be changed. So it's a type of button here. So let me add another button here. Let me show you, for example, this one. So if I just change the color here, you can see it has just changed the color of that button here. So that's how you can just change the color. So actually you can just change the color, and according to the theme color, if you change the theme color, then it will change the color for you. So that's the only way to change the color for your website. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.